So sa video ngayon ay try natin mag-withdraw ng 700 pesos. So select amount, payment upon reaching the amount, no other condition. Click 700, dahil 700 po ang ating i-withdraw. So withdrawal method, GCash. So sabi dito sa withdrawal rules, withdrawals can only be made when the specified amount is reached. Number 2, only one withdrawal is allowed per day. Number 3, withdrawals are processed. Disclaimer: the information provided to the speaker or presenter of this video or platform is for information purposes only and not to promote. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind expressed or implied regarding the accuracy, legitimacy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. For this video ay susubukan natin mag-withdraw ng 700 pesos sa application na ito, kung legit po ba ito na application, or para malaman natin kung ito po ba ay ma-receive natin agad. Ang application nga ito ay wala po itong puhunan at hindi rin ito sugal. Ang gawin lang natin dito ay maglaro lang. Pero sa video ngayon ay hindi ko na lang po ituro sa inyo kung paano po tayo maglaro dito para maka-earn ng points na ma-convert into real cash, dahil meron na po akong video tutorial dito kung paano maka-earn sa application na ito. Okay, subukan po natin mag-withdraw ng 700 pesos. So makikita po natin dito na meron akong 11,610 pesos at 100% na maka-withdraw tayo dito ng 700 pesos. Ayan dito, dahil meron po akong withdrawable balance na 730 pesos na pwede natin ma-withdraw ang 700. So dito sa itaas ay may frozen balance na 10,880 pesos. So ito, hindi pa lang natin ito ma-withdraw. Ang kailangan lang muna natin dito para ma-unfreeze ay kailangan po natin maglaro. Yan. So pero na po akong tutorial dito paano ma-unfreeze. So ilagay ko lang sa description or comment section ang tutorial na ito kung paano po ito ma-unfreeze. So sa video ngayon ay try natin mag-withdraw ng 700 pesos. So select amount, payment upon reaching the amount, no other condition. Click 700, dahil 700 po ang ating i-withdraw. So withdrawal method, GCash. So sabi dito sa withdrawal rules, withdrawals can only be made when the specified amount is reached. Number 2, only one withdrawal is allowed per day. Number 3, withdrawals are processed immediately, but in case of any issues, they will be processed within 24 hours. So try natin mag-withdraw ng 700 pesos. Then, are you sure to withdraw 700 to my number? Okay, click withdraw. Withdraw success, you will receive 700 within 24 hours. Okay, click po natin itong okay. Then itong ayan, nakapinding na po siya. So ayan guys, meron tayong na-receive na notification na na-receive natin agad-agad yung natin. Ayan, yung 700 pesos sa GCash. So legit po talaga ito na application. Kung gusto niyo ito i-download, ay click lang ang link sa description or comment section. Doon ko po ilagay ang link, at huwag kalimutan mag-enter ng code para meron kayong matanggap na 75 pesos bonus sa application na ito. So yun lang po. So salamat, God bless.
Visit us my YouTube channel, Juni Agatano, and click subscribe and notification bell to keep you updated on my videos. The videos I upload about personal blog and finance. Thank you so much and God bless.